Hello everyone. Oh my gosh, I did a twist out and I just want you to know I am so pleased. I am so pleased because my hair is so thin. My hair is so fine, and as I get older, the more I notice my hair is thinning. It is thinning. It seems like every time I play in my hair, what I've discovered is that it's thinned a little bit more. Perhaps it's from all the colors, all the experiments, all the perms, all the dyes, all the everything. But I just want you to know I am on my way to recovery with my hair. This is a twist out, and I just want you guys to know I did literally one in the front, one French braid. It was one twist. I heard someone call it a Brist. It was a twist and a braid combined. So I did a twist, a flat twist on the front, and braided it at the end and put a perm right on the end. I parted it right here. You can see a little bit. I parted it in the front. I did a flat twist. I braided it at the end and put a perm right. And I did 4 straight across, not up and down, not vertical braids, but I did from left to right because I wanted to hide the parts. I still have a severe problem with all the parts showing in my hair when I do a twist out. So I just want you guys to know I did it. This is the final finished product, and I will share with you what I used in the description below. Like, share, and comment, and I hope to hear from you soon. This is the first of many experiments with twist outs. I'm going to do all kind of stuff this year, guys. I'm coming out. I'm busting out. I'm going to learn how to master the art of working with my kind of hair. I don't know. It's fine. It's thin. I've been natural for very, very long years. I'm talking at least 7 to 10 years. And my hair has gone through every transition I can think of. But when I tell you I'm starting over, I'm trying it again. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.